Well, I got it going again. Got what going again? I got my, what is that? 129, C129 V2. Yeah, 2. Because, yeah, the second one works a whole lot better. And this thing is really awesome. I stuck a camera on it. I broke the antenna off of it. I put a new bearing on it. It's been in the creek 5 times. Been through a fire. Now the control servo on the side is broke free 3 times. The rotors look like saw blades now. I don't know what else to say about it. Poor little thing. It's had a life of just pure abuse. Abuse, I tell you. And oh, it ain't over yet. And I'm gonna fly it. Well, I'm gonna try to fly it. It's got a little bit of breeze out here. You get it going, you. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got some breeze. Come back here, baby. And this particular version is gone. I've had 2 or 3 of these. They're all great flyers, but this one has a little bit more ability for the wind. A little bit. But to try to get a nice, stable hover out of it in the wind, that's just not easy. You're constantly nursing the controller. But with that, oh, it's agile. It's an agile little flyer. Come here, boo-boo. Yeah, come here. Come here, Agile. Oh, Agile's doing a fine job. I'm telling you, I am impressed with it. It's one of the best things that I know of that RC Era has produced. The first one I got had Will Toy's name on it. They had a controller like this that had 6 batteries in the back of it. So this is pretty decent range. It's about it'll fly as far as I want to go walk and go get it. I'll tell you that. But I've been having a blast with it. Just absolute blast. And I've even got goggles. Like I said, I put a camera on it. I'm flying it freehand right this minute. I can do a little more agile maneuvering without the goggles. I'm gonna strap them on my head right now, put these puppies on. That's what I'll be looking at, something like that, across the parking lot. Stick my big head in here, and off we go again. Yeah. Oh, I don't see my little light, so I have no idea how much time I have on this thing. But here it is. Looking at me, not recording, I'm noticing. See if I can fix that. I can probably reach that puppy. Light ain't blinking. There we go. Got this light blinking. At least one of them is. Try one more time. Perfect.